Hi, I am Nithya. Today we are going to talk about the most important HOOPONOPONO cleansing tool, the blue solar water. What is the use of blue solar water cleansing tool? When chanting 4 phrases of HOOPONOPONO, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you can just drink this water along with it to release problem creating memories faster. How to prepare blue solar water? Take any shades of blue glass bottle with plastic or cork cover. Don't use metallic cover. Fill with tap water. Keep the bottle in sun for at least 1 hour. Now the water has solar energy. It is ready to use. Benefits: blue solar water helps to clear the deep-seated programs that we replay over and over again. It releases deep-seated emotional wounds and blocks and release the memory causing the problem. When the throat chakra is underactivated, can lead to an inability to express one's needs and opinion, to a feeling of being choked. By drinking this blue solar water, it activates the throat chakra. For those having thyroid problem, weight issues, sore throat, it works wonder. Instead of repeating I love you and thank you to your body, you can drink this solar water. It loves your body so much. As our body contains 70% of water, the blue solar water works faster. It can be mixed with other drinking water or coffee or tea or used during cooking. You can add in bathing water if you feel you have lot of negative energy in your aura. Spray the blue solar water in the tires of your vehicle before going out for safe journey. You can use on plants, they will grow healthier. It can even given to children, they would love blue solar water. Let's see what Dr. Hewland has said about blue solar water. He states that drinking blue solar water transmutes memories and replaying problems in the subconscious mind and helps the body to let go and let God. But now, what this will do for you, because most of us run around dehydrated, it will do like this. If you have any respiratory problem, if you drink at least a gallon of this, it will knock it out. If you have any back problems, if you have any joint problems, if you have any muscle problems, it will knock it out. Just memories, but now you are hydrating yourself. Now remember, it's going into the subconscious before it goes into the cell. It's changing you at the subconscious level. If you drink this blue solar water, a lot of your called health problems will go guaranteed. As you can see, blue solar water has tremendous benefits. Try and share your experience below. Thank you for joining us. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you.